Hi, Jay.
What's up, guy?
We're in the Villisca house all by ourselves, and it's thundering outside.
You want to sit here?
Oh yeah, my favorite spot. Oh, I can't believe we're back.
We're back. Just think it was just the two of us in it.
Yeah, I'd poop.
Huh?
I'd poop.
Yeah.
You hear that nice thunder? Yeah.
Oh, nobody here's afraid of thunder.
I did like the effect the oil lamps used to give.
Yeah. These lighter than milk that you know.
Yeah.
Here we go. We're gonna put a balloon right here.
You better play with it, little ladies. Come on, thunder.
Boom!
Wow, just like that, it's like silent.
I love how they still have everything covered.
I know. But seriously, there was a lot more junk on these tables.
Ready? Do you hear that?
Sure if that's outside.
You sure? Whoa! My bad,
Yeah, I think we just heard little girls.
Not my phone. My bad.
Try that. What is it? Just a note. I think we might have just heard little girls.
Nay, come look at. Notice how those are. Little triangle thing.
Yep.
I'm gonna move this side closer. So it's all resting up against each other. Guys move, so those things don't move.
Yeah, that was freaky. I really don't think there's little kids outside right now.
Not during a thunderstorm. I think their parents will be smaller than them maybe on the side.
Can we go out this door?
Yeah.
I want to go out and look.
Don't see any kids anywhere. You've heard the little kids like playing and yelling, right?
Yeah.
Make sure I'm not crazy.
I heard it twice. It was like the exact same thing.
Yeah. I heard nothing. Did you hear that? And I did it again. No kids.
Oh, we're safe from the storm now, Jay.
Yeah. Safe from the storm and the weather.
And now we're just with all the ghosts.
We go upstairs?
Ah, yeah, sure.
No, my phone's right there. Holy. Do you like that call? Just put one of the holy, because I seen something over there.
Mother of freaking pearl.
Ready?
Yep.
What the heck is that? Pants or something.
This is his drawers.
We should take our pants off and hang them up there.
You wanna?
Yeah.
Just run around like Captain Underpants. There's where Joe and Sarah slept.
Smells weird out there, don't
And I told Gert I didn't care about the clown, but now I'm starting to wonder why I said that.
it? It looks like it's moved up.
You may want to open the closet.
Paul?
That freaked me out. Boyd? Paul's little baby. Boyd, buddy, you want to open the closet? Or if it's Herman.
Or if it's one of the girls.
Anybody want to open the closet? Just want to show you out to everybody. Show your friends. Show you our friends. Dude, it just popped open a little bit. I swear it did.
You sure it popped open or the way I moved the light?
Dude, it move it again. I don't know.
I just want to do this.
I don't know. That could be crazy. Want to open that, please? That'd be awesome.
Exactly on the verge of crazy.
What?
So you more like on the verge of crazy?
Probably. That's where Herman and Boyd slept. Poor kids having to sleep together, 2 men.
Here it comes.
Man, is this not perfect material to be inside an axe murder house? I mean, the Joseph Moore lovely house.
I want to push this back against the wall. I don't like it. Oh, what the heck?
Yeah, I don't think that's moving.
Oh! That ain't moved nowhere.
Man, dude, I have so much more gonads this time.
Did it?
Seriously, I would have not done this.
Go on the attic when we close the door.
No, I can't do that. I don't have that much gonads. If they were all here, I might actually do it.
Nope, you gotta do it right now.
I can't. Open the door, dude. Da-na-na. Da-na-na. Wah, wah, wah. Da-na-na. Your chair's gone. Remember you sat in there when we closed it?
Ready? Ready, let's play.
You roll the ball back out?
Come on, roll the ball out to me. I love playing roll the ball.
Hello?
Boyd. I'll come in and get it this time. Couple other balls. I'm just gonna let him.
Is your drum?
That would be freaky.
That would. Nice roll, sir.
That's a wicked arse turn on. Just mind hearing in here.
No, it smells old. Maybe
What? It rolled straight last time.
Yeah, it did. You just don't want to play, do you, boy?
You just don't want it in your closet.
You guys are hiding because you don't like the thunder.
Oh my gosh.
Maybe back in the day you thought this was a tornado.
Yeah, there you go.
So you're in the
That's in the
basement.
closet.
Come on. We should just leave it like that when the guys come up. They'll be like, holy sh-.
Can't do that though.
I know. We didn't purposely. No, I'm just kidding. We wouldn't do that. Why do they have playing cards? You hear that rolling across the floor?